on behalf of Comptia, oppose this legislation.
We're asking you not to pass this bill. You have to be careful about which types of repairs that you want to allow just anybody to do.
This legislation poses serious risks to the safety and security of the growing network of connected electronic products, serious cybersecurity, privacy, and safety risks.
This bill has the potential to weaken security features in a host of different electronic devices. This security could easily be compromised. We ask for your opposition.
As a cybersecurity expert, I can tell you that if taking your iPhone apart represents a serious threat to the safety and security of communications in this country, we should be talking right now in an underground situation room and not on public access television in the 13th most populous U.S. state. We have real geopolitical problems in cybersecurity, and we should be asking companies to answer questions about data security, not about supply chain components that are easily physically testable and examinable.
Any questions?
I'm Louis Rossman, and I approve this message, which of course is my opinion.